Hello everyone. Today we have a very interesting video about a really nice car, really nice truck in fact. It's a GMC Yukon Denali. Came in with an interesting issue. Rear wiper doesn't work, and also at the same time the rear hatch glass does not open at all from any buttons available. So after digging in a little bit, we find out the root cause of the issue. Let's go take a look. So this glass here, we already got it to open. It opens like this, but the wiper sits right here. This is the hole where the wiper comes out, and it just gets parked up there at the top. And then whenever you turn it on, it would go down and wipe, and then go back up and park itself. So the problem was, it was not in a parking position, even though it looked like it was. So the vehicle tried to park it all the time. It was actually warm when I got to it and I touched the motor. It was warm. Here's the motor. This part was a little warm, so it was trying to move it, but it wasn't able to, because this whole thing is corroded and seized completely. Completely seized motor. By the way, it's 2021 model. It's only 5 years old at this point in time, and it's already seized, and it's sitting right up there. I mean, it's not that salty of a place right here. It should not be corroding that much. The only assumption I can make is it's made out of really, really cheap materials that just corrode a lot. And that's what happened to it after 5 years of service. So the logic in this is the glass wouldn't open because the wiper wasn't in parking position. That's just a software setting to not allow any breaking of glass when it tries to open the glass and the wiper is somewhere on the glass. It just doesn't make sense to open the glass when the wiper is there. So that's why. Bottom line, this vehicle is a premium vehicle that costs a lot of money, and they use very cheap components like this. And this is not the only cheap component on this vehicle. It's probably got a lot more of these. So pick your vehicles wisely and have a good day.